Welcome back to Mobile Munch. Today we're diving into the Poco M7 Pro 5G, a budget-friendly smartphone that's packed with impressive features. Stick around to find out why this could be your next go-to device. Design and build. The Poco M7 Pro 5G boasts a sleek design with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display. With a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and a 120 Hz refresh rate, this screen is perfect for all your multimedia needs. The display supports Dolby Vision and HDR10+, and can reach a peak brightness of 2100 nits. The phone is available in 3 stunning colors: lavender frost, lunar dust, and olive twilight. Weighing 190 grams and with a thickness of 8 millimeters, it feels comfortable and lightweight in hand. The device is also IP64 dust and water resistant, making it durable for everyday use. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the Poco M7 Pro 5G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra 6nm chipset, paired with 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. This ensures smooth performance whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. It comes with options for 128 or 256 gigabytes of internal storage. The phone runs on Android 14 with Hyper OS, offering a smooth and customizable user experience. Camera capabilities. The camera setup includes a dual camera system with a 50-megapixel main camera with PDAF and OIS, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. For selfies, there's a 20-megapixel front camera. Both cameras support 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring you capture stunning photos and videos. Battery and charging. The Poco M7 Pro 5G is equipped with a 5110 mAh battery, ensuring you get through your day without needing to recharge constantly. When you do need to charge, the phone supports 45-watt wired charging, getting you back up and running in no time. Unique features. One standout feature of the Poco M7 Pro 5G is its side-mounted fingerprint sensor, providing quick and secure access. Additionally, it has stereo speakers and a 3.5mm audio jack, providing an immersive audio experience. The phone also features 24-bit/192 kHz high-res audio and USB Type-C for OTG support. Conclusion. So, is the Poco M7 Pro 5G the budget-friendly phone for you? With its powerful performance, impressive camera setup, and sleek design, it certainly makes a strong case. Priced at about €170, the Poco M7 Pro 5G offers incredible value for money. If you're looking for a feature-packed smartphone without breaking the bank, the Poco M7 Pro 5G might just be the one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. This is Mobile Munch, signing off.